Let's take a look at a selection of everyday essential products to help keep you and your truck ready to roll every day. All available at your PACCAR parts dealer. To keep your tool compartment area clean and tidy and protect it from cuts, stains and abrasion, use the Paramat Boot Saver. The Paramat Boot Saver is a specially designed heavy-duty rubber mat measuring 20 inches by 30 inches with a non-slip surface that stabilizes items and reduces the risk of spills and interior damage. The heavy-duty rubber construction is resistant to fuels, battery acid, paints and household chemicals, and it can be easily removed for cleaning. Don't get caught on the side of the road with an air leak. The PACCAR Emergency Airline Repair Kit contains all the airline repair components to fix any air leak in a helpful and handy fitting kit, small enough to fit in your truck's tool compartment area. TRP is PACCAR's in-house aftermarket brand with a wide range of products backed by PACCAR with a minimum 12-month warranty. Here's a selection of handy TRP products that are useful whilst on the road. Stay clean whilst on the road with TRP Hand Clean. TRP Hand Clean is an industrial strength hand cleaner utilising a traditional formula so you know it works. Soft on the hand, it is an effective cleaner, leaving hands feeling non-sticky whilst also moisturising hands with lanolin. Be ready for any cleanup whilst on the road with the all-purpose TRP Bag of Rags. The TRP Bag of Rags are absorbent and are available in t-shirt or soft flannel material. Available in the handy 1.5 kilogram size to stash away in your truck's toolbox, and in bulk 10 kilogram packs. They're also perfect for at-home or workshop use. When you transport goods for a living, choosing the right load restraint could save you costly mishaps. And TRP provides load restraints that are fully compliant to Australian standards for peace of mind. Having spare TRP ratchet straps are always a welcome addition to your truck's tool compartment. They're available in 50mm by 9m and 50mm by 12m lengths. And to protect your valuable cargo from potential freight damage, always keep handy a few sets of TRP pallet angles. The TRP pallet angles come in 1040mm long pallet angle and 500mm short pallet angle. And chain knuckles are also available. Wash, clean and finish all surfaces lint-free with TRP microfiber cloths. 50cm by 50cm in size and available in packs of 5. And as always, all TRP products come with a minimum 12-month warranty as standard. See the full range on our website, paccarparts.com.au/catalogues, or call 1800-P-PARTS 772 787. Or speak to your PACCAR Parts store. PACCAR Parts, maximising your uptime on the road.